Hi, I'm Tom Jackson, the Vice President of Marketing for the Greenbrier Companies. I'm here today alongside Mallory Moran, Greenbrier's Marketing Communications Manager, to showcase an innovative, cutting-edge tool that we have successfully launched with our customers. It's called Virtual Sample Railcar, or VSR for short. This technology enables railcar owners to view their newly ordered fleets from the safety of their offices or homes without the unneeded travel expense, time out of the office, or safety concerns. VSR virtually transports customers through a Greenbrier portal to our railcar plants where they can review, inspect, and approve their final orders. But first, before I get into the product with Mallory, I'd like to give you a little bit of background about Greenbrier. Greenbrier is headquartered in Lake Oswego, Oregon, and it's the largest freight wagon builder in North America, South America, and Europe, with a growing base of business in the Middle East. We have 10 new car manufacturing plants around the world and 7 repair shops that support our customers' needs. Our wheels division has several locations that deliver over 250,000 wheel sets a year to customers. And our aftermarkets business has over 50,000 types of parts to serve their needs as well. We manage a fleet of about 400,000 rail cars and have a lease fleet of about 9,000. And our flagship facility in Portland, Oregon is where we build rail cars as well as marine ocean vessels. And we built over 75 ocean-going barges since its history. Essentially, Greenbrier is a cradle-to-grave offering for customers. We take them through the life cycle of their car from the build to repair to manage their fleet all the way through its life cycle. So now that you know a little bit about Greenbrier, I think it's important to turn it over to Mallory. She can give you the real details behind VSR, or Virtual Sample Railcar. Mallory, take it away.
Thank you, Tom. Before I walk through the VSR program, I'd like to explain more about an in-person sample railcar event. This begins with our customers, sales team, and engineers traveling to the plant. They then spend a full day touring the facility, walking the production line, and reviewing documentation before inspecting their rail car. Generally, a sample car event requires 3 days out of the office, international travel, and long drives to a remote location. 3 years ago, Greenbrier created an internal cross-functional team to develop the Virtual Sample Railcar program. VSR leverages technology to shorten the process while maintaining transparency with our customers. VSR is a live video event that is unique to each customer and build. We provide super high-resolution gigapixel and 360-degree photography, followed by a walk-the-line video that shows the customer's rail car from flat steel through the entire production process. Our most popular feature is the live stream inspection of the sample rail car. During that time, Greenbrier's team will provide measurements and focus on any particular areas of interest. We have found that VSR scales nicely and allows the customer to be involved in the process in a whole new way. Now I'd like to share a video that includes a real VSR and provides examples of this innovative presentation.
Greenbrier's Virtual Sample Railcar program puts you in control of the process from the comfort of your own office and cuts your time commitment from 3 days to 1 hour. The virtual experience includes everything you would see during an in-person sample railcar event for far less money and much less time. The secure web conference format incorporates impressively detailed high-resolution gigapixel and 360-degree images, a walk-the-line video presentation, and a live railcar inspection. Detailed images allow for up-close inspections of all aspects of the railcar, including the underside and interior, while the walk-the-line video provides a visual tour of the entire production line. Feel free to stop and ask questions at any time. Our team of experts are on hand to answer production, engineering, quality, and customer service questions.
I want to start with the PM.
For the last phase of the process, connect live with the team in the buy-off area. They are your eyes and hands as you virtually tour your railcar, taking you around the railcar. They open valves, doors, and hatches, inspect trucks, test paint thickness, and demonstrate the operational braking system. The experiences put you in charge of the process, taking you through all aspects of the railcar to ensure it is just as ordered and meets all specifications. With a dedicated team to answer any questions and powerful visuals, both still and video, it's possible to dig deeper than ever before.
Thank you very much. This was fantastic.
Greenbrier's Virtual Sample Railcar Program. Another innovative idea to save customers time and money while providing an up-close and personal inspection without ever having to leave the office. The Greenbrier Companies, leaders in manufacturing and transportation freight services in North America and around the globe.
Thank you for joining us and learning more about Greenbrier's virtual sample railcar. We invite you to visit go.gbrx.com/virtual.